iPhone users, stop scrolling. Apple just dropped two massive updates today that you need to know about. One could even save your device from hackers, and the other shows us the future of iPhones with iOS 26 Beta 7. Let's break it down. First, Apple released iOS 18.6.2, an emergency security patch. Why is this critical? Hackers have been exploiting a serious zero-day flaw that lets them sneak in through malicious image files. If you own an iPhone XS or newer, you need to update right now. This patch fixes the vulnerability and keeps your data safe. Second, we've got fresh news from the iOS 26 Beta 7 update, and it's all about making your iPhone feel brand new. Apple introduced the Liquid Glass UI, a sleek, translucent design that adds depth and motion. The lock screen is more customizable than ever. You can shift widgets, change the time layout, and match it perfectly to your wallpaper. Animations are faster too. Opening and closing apps feels instant, and for creators and photographers, the camera app has been redesigned with a cleaner layout, simpler controls, and label tools. And if you're already hyped for the iPhone 17 this September, rumors say every model will finally get a 120Hz OLED display, a huge selfie camera upgrade, and even a razor-thin iPhone 17 Air. Pair that with iOS 26, and Apple's setting up for one of its biggest launches yet. So, update your iPhone to iOS 18.6.2 today to stay secure. And if you're brave, try out iOS 26 Beta 7 to see what's coming next. What do you think of the new Liquid Glass design? Love it or hate it? Drop your thoughts below, hit like, and don't forget to subscribe for more daily Apple updates.